Welcome back to another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. Today we're going to be talking about mixing skin tones. This always gives a lot of people grief, but it's real easy if you just remember red, yellow, brown, and white. That's how you make your skin tone right. All skin tones are made with these four colors, basically. Another common mistake I see people make when they're mixing colors is they kind of pile all the paint in one area. That's not the best thing to do. The best thing to do is to kind of spread the paint out like I have on my palette, and then just start pulling the colors towards each other. And as you pull the colors towards each other, those skin tones and whatever colors you're mixing actually will kind of mix in between, so you get a variety of different colors in between. So already I've just mixed the white, the yellow, and the red, and I'm getting a variety of skin tones up here at the top. Put that off to the side so you can kind of see that. Doesn't really show up too well against the white. If I add a little bit more yellow, I get a little bit different skin tone. If I add a little bit more red, a little bit different. Of course, darker values can be handled with the brown. So I'm going to pull the brown up there, and you can already see that because I've spread out my colors, as I'm mixing them, I'm getting a full range of different types of skin tone here very quickly. And when you're painting somebody, when you're painting a face, you're going to need a full range. So now I'm working with kind of the darker values of the skin tones down here at the bottom with the brown. There's still white, yellow, and red in my brush, so it's not just a straight brown. I am using some of that red and some of that yellow to incorporate it in to make that skin tone. And you can see I'm actually pulling some of that red over with the brown. That's going to create more of a skin tone with a little bit more red in it, obviously, and a little bit more yellow. And again, we're working with the darker values here. And you already can see that I've got on my palette a broad spectrum of skin tones that can be used when you're painting a face. Put a little bit off to the side there so you can see a little bit of the contrast. It's really important to spread those colors out so you can really see the different values and the different types of colors that you're creating when you're working with skin tones. And that's basically it. Red, yellow, brown, and white. That's how you make your skin tone right. If you remember that, you can never go wrong.